Oh, well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. I'm kind of on the tired side. Even though I added extra layer, it was even colder. Got down to -2 on one of the ones I saw, and then I caught the news, and it said it was -3. I'm like, oh, what am I? Yeah, cold. I'm glad that stuff's blowing out of here. It's supposed to break above freezing here shortly. And then tomorrow's supposed to be nicer. I'm glad. I'm tired of this. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Uh, it is, let's see, 12:10 p.m. on Tuesday, January 21st. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Definitely cold yesterday. Been trying to get some things figured out here, but apparently I'm having a location issue. Can't find things that I put somewhere. I'm trying. I definitely have a learning curve on this Mac Mini. I'm getting better at it though, having fun with it. Uh, yeah, I should be getting a call next week from Social Security. I'm trying to get in touch with the phone people about swapping my phone around. They don't want to let me take and get the introductory price on my phone that I have now. Hey, I can pull out of here, go to the other company and be there and come back next month and get the same price. So why don't you just let me get it now? You get the month pay. Yeah, I don't know. That and I need to call and talk to my cable company, internet company, because, yeah, my bill's up to $45 a month on just plain Jane internet connection. That's ridiculous. I don't have cable TV or fast internet. I don't have a phone tied in with it. Yet they're hitting me up for $45. Just ain't right. So I'm going to call them up, tell them, hey, psst, for that price, I can get a faster internet connection from the cable company, the what do you call it? The new version. Oh God. Well, anyway, it's Vexus, I think is the name of it. Yeah, fiber optic. There you go. I should remember that. About 15 years ago, I had a fiber optic hard drive. Uh, Maybe it was 20. Yeah, about 20. Oh God. Yeah, had a RAID set up, and what was it? 6 hard drives tied together. For its time, it was very fast. Now, little SSD blows them out of the water, doesn't even try. Uh, but fiber optic will be the same price at faster speeds, or actually a little less. I don't know. Do I really want to have some stranger come to my house again, though? I don't like people coming to my house. Uh, they. I don't know them, so I don't trust them. So yeah. And is that really the fact that I don't trust them, or is it that I just think the way I think and thus, because I wouldn't trust myself, I wouldn't trust them. But then I realized that, okay, I can trust me. I just don't trust other people to be upright. I don't know. A lot of different things in that mess. Uh, yeah. Trust is not something easily earned. And I don't just give it away. You know, that's kind of like everybody talking about friends after meeting 5 seconds. Don't get that one. Yeah, it takes me a while. And that's one of the things I am trying to change. You know, to get to where I'm willing to invest time and energy talking to somebody to find out, you know, faster whether I want to know them or not. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, had a bunch of people show up this morning for breakfast, and boy, the temperature in the lobby dropped down. I actually had a reading in the lobby of 62 degrees. Yeah, I got a heater blowing full tilt boogie and it can't keep up. It's 62 degrees. With all the people and all the food that's cooking and everything that's keeping it all warm. Yeah, 62. It was cold inside. I did manage to get it up to 68. I thought that was wonderful. Till the bottom dropped out because people kept opening the doors. And what is it with people want to open a door and stand in the middle of it and talk when it's 2, 3 degrees outside and dropping? So crush their head in the door is wrong. Why? Yeah, I just don't get people sometimes. But yeah, doors are for going through, not parking in the middle of. Maybe I'm strange. I don't know. But yeah, life is weird sometimes. Anyway, yeah, my was doing my audit and credit card machine was out of balance. Oh, fun stuff. I tried to figure it out, but something wasn't working right and left it for my boss to figure out. Left him a big old note, OOB, out of balance. Let him go and figure out. Probably what it is somebody got a refund of some sort and it didn't show somewhere. And so there was, yeah, disparities between the two amounts or the three amounts that it was supposed to be. Something didn't come up right. Used to, I could go and find that stuff, but then it was all more of a manual system. You know, the old system would have showed you what room it was. This one just gives you the last four on the credit card, and you got to go through all of them. And, you know, it's like you got 50 rooms, and a good third of them have an extra credit card on them. Some of them have single use, and you got to go find something, trying to figure out what went wrong where. Yeah. New system. It doesn't do what it should. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, down trying to stay warm. Uh, that's the fun part. Hope it's not too cold up there where you're at. I know it's cold up there right now. Y'all are probably in worse shape. It is what it is. I don't know. My I really need to get some more curry from my boss. That is one thing I enjoy. And I don't care whether it's goat, chicken, or what curry. You know, I just want curry, and he makes such good curry. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but yeah, being cold all the time, I'm burning through trying to stay warm, and it's not working. I need more protein. Carbohydrates just don't do it. When you really want to stay warm, you need protein. So, yeah, ate a bunch of protein today. Straight up beef, barbacoa, burritos. Good size. Yeah. I now feel about this big. That's okay. I get to walk around after that and got it most of it to settle down. I'll get up and go finish a couple things, and then I gotta head to the bed. Being that it's afternoon, I really need to be aiming toward that bed real soon. Cause oh yeah, I really want to stay inside and stay warm, but I still got to talk to the cable company and get a couple things trash out, which means I got to go outside. I think I'm gonna just put the trash off till tomorrow. Get it all to the door and ready to go out. Wait till tomorrow when it's warmer and it's my day off. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Yeah. Anyway, the plane ticket went up a little bit. Guess I'm gonna have to buy that thing soon before it goes crazy and they all disappear at a decent price. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I hope your weekend was fun. I hope your week is an easy one for you. And again, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. It's important to have friends and family. It's very important to have food. Extra food. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed one. Williams, Philippines. Uh, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Come along for the journey. It's under 6 months for heading to the Philippines. I am so ready to get there. Anyway, fish out.